I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If your Snapchat account has been suspended, don't worry. You can often recover it by following these steps. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app. Launch the Snapchat app on your device. Make sure you are using the latest version to avoid any compatibility issues. Step 2. Attempt to log in. Try logging into your account using your username and password. If your account is suspended, you will see a message indicating the suspension. Step 3. Visit the Snapchat support page. Go to the Snapchat support website. Look for the section related to account issues and select My account is locked. Step 4. Submit a support request. Fill out the form provided on the support page. Be sure to explain your situation clearly and include your account details. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your request, wait for Snapchat to respond. This can take a few days, so be patient. Check your email for updates. Remember, if your account was suspended for a violation of Snapchat's terms, it may not be restored. Good luck, and I hope you get your account back soon.